This meeting is being recorded.
ఆంటీ బాగున్నారా? చాలా థ్యాంక్స్ ఆంటీ. 3,000 రూపీస్ అందినాయి. ఇట్స్ డివైన్ ప్రావిషన్. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ యువర్ జనరస్ హెల్ప్. జెనిసాని క్లాస్కి ఇన్వైట్ చేశానంటే వెయిట్ చేస్తా ఉన్నాను. లింక్ కూడా పంపించాను. జెనిసాకి ఇప్పుడు అవైలబిలిటీ ఉంటే జాయిన్ అవ్వమని చెప్పండి, లేకపోతే జెనిసా. వెరీ గుడ్, వెరీ గుడ్. నేను ఆల్రెడీ జాయిన్ అయ్యాను క్లాస్లో. జెనిసాని జాయిన్ అవ్వమని చెప్పండి అండి. ఇప్పటివరకు మేము జూమ్లో కాంటాక్ట్ అయ్యాము. ఇప్పుడు వచ్చి వెబ్ఎక్స్ అని కొత్త మోడ్ ఆఫ్ కమ్యూనికేషన్ అనమాట. ఈరోజే నాకు యూకేలో ఒక ఫ్రెండ్ ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేశారు. జెనిఫర్ ల్యాండర్ అని ఒక అకాడమిక్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ కి చెందినటువంటి ఒక మేనేజర్ ఈ వెబ్ఎక్స్ కమ్యూనికేషన్ మోడ్ ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేశారు. ఫస్ట్ టైం జెనిసాతో యూస్ చేస్తా ఉన్నారు అనమాట. వాట్సాప్ తర్వాత జూమ్, గూగుల్ మీట్ అట్లా అండి. దీనికి కొంచెం అడ్వాంటేజ్ ఏంటంటే మనం లెంత్ ఆఫ్ రికార్డింగ్స్ ఎక్కువ లాంగ్ టైం కూడా మనం రికార్డ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఇప్పటివరకు జూమ్ లో అయితే మాక్సిమం 40 minutes వీడియో కమ్యూనికేషన్ మీటింగ్ చేయగలిగేవాళ్ళం. దీనిలో అయితే కొంచెం లాంగ్ అవర్స్ ఆఫ్ ట్యూషన్స్ కూడా నేను తీసుకోవడానికి బాగుంటుంది. క్లారిటీ కూడా బాగుంది. వెబ్ఎక్స్ ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయమని చెప్పాను జెన్నిసార్లు. చాలా ఈజీ అంటే జస్ట్ గూగుల్ సెర్చ్ లో వెబ్ఎక్స్ WEBEX అని టైప్ చేస్తే ఆ యాప్ ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసుకుని ఆ లింక్ క్లిక్ చేసి యూజర్ నేమ్ పాస్వర్డ్ టైప్ చేస్తే కాంటాక్ట్ అవ్వచ్చు. వెరీ గుడ్, వెరీ గుడ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆంటీ. మీ ఆరోగ్యం ఎట్లా ఉంది? ఆ, ఆ, నేను నేను ఆన్లైన్ లోనే ఉన్నాను. జెనిసా కోసం వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నాను. యా, జెనిసా కోసం ఏం మీరు దిగులు పడకండి అంటే జెనిసా ఇస్ మచ్ అహెడ్ ఆఫ్ మెనీ ఆఫ్ హర్ కాంటెంపరీస్. షీ ఇస్ వెరీ స్మార్ట్, రైట్? As you said, I need to only motivate. You needed interest. That is the work of the teacher, no? లేదే, నాకు కనపడలేదే. ఆ, 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 ఇంకా జెనిసా వెబ్ఎక్స్ మీటింగ్ లో నాకు ఎఫ్ఐ రావలేదు. ఆ మీటింగ్ లింక్ క్లిక్ చేసి యూజర్ నేమ్ పాస్వర్డ్ టైప్ చేస్తే నాకు ఇక్కడ తెలుస్తుంది జెనిసా జాయిన్ అయిందా లేదా. ప్రాబబ్లీ జెనిసా జూమ్ ఓపెన్ చేస్తుంటుంది అంటే జూమ్ కాదని చెప్పండి. ఇది క్రొత్త లింక్. ఎవ్రీడే జూమ్ లో కాంటాక్ట్ అయ్యాము. జెనిసాకి తెలీదు. జెనిసాకి నేను చెప్పలేదు వెబ్ఎక్స్ అని. ఈ రోజు మార్నింగే తెలిసింది నాకు వెబ్ఎక్స్ యూస్ చేయొచ్చు మనం వితౌట్ ఎనీ బ్రేక్. ఒకసారి జెనిసాకి ఫోన్ ఇస్తే నేను మాట్లాడతానండి. జెనిసా నెంబరు కాల్ చేస్తే జెనిసా అని చెప్పిందంటే నా దగ్గర ఫోన్ లేదండి. గ్రాండ్ మా ఫోన్ లోనే నేను మెసేజ్ చేస్తున్నాను మీకు అని చెప్పిన అనమాట. మీ ఫోన్ ఒకసారి ఇస్తే నేను హాయ్ జెనిసా, బాగున్నావా? వెరీ నైస్ టు టాక్ టు యూ జెనిసా. ఐఎమ్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ టు సీ యువర్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్. అమ్మా లింక్ పంపించాను. ఇది వచ్చి జూమ్ లింక్ కాదమ్మా. ఎవ్రీడే మనం జూమ్ లో కాంటాక్ట్ అయ్యేవాళ్ళం కదా. ఇది వెబ్ఎక్స్ అనమాట, WEBEX. జస్ట్ మీరు ఏం చేయాలంటే గూగుల్లో వెబ్ఎక్స్ అని టైప్ చేస్తే యాప్ వస్తుంది. ఆ యాప్ ఇన్స్టాల్ చేస్తే నేను పంపించినటువంటి యూజర్ నేమ్ పాస్వర్డ్ వెబ్ లింక్ తో ట్రై చేస్తే జూమ్ లాగానే ఇట్స్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ లైక్ జూమ్. కాకపోతే ఏంటంటే వెబ్ఎక్స్ యాప్ ల్యాప్టాప్ లో ఉండాలన్నమాట. కెన్ యూ ప్లీజ్ ట్రై అమ్మా? ఇట్స్ వెరీ ఈజీ. యూ కెన్ డూ మచ్ బెటర్ దాన్ మీ. ఎందుకంటే నాకు ఈరోజు జెనిఫర్ ల్యాండర్ అని ఒక ఫ్రెండ్ యూకేలో కాన్ఫరెన్స్ కండక్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు అనమాట, వెబినార్. నా లెక్చర్ వచ్చి 30th అనమాట. యాక్చువల్లీ ఇట్స్ ఆన్ థర్స్డే మార్నింగ్ 9 AM గ్రీన్విచ్ మీన్ టైం, 2 o'clock IST. ఇట్లా ఇంటర్నేషనల్ కాన్ఫరెన్సెస్ కూడా హోల్డ్ చేయడానికి వెబ్ఎక్స్ చాలా యూస్ఫుల్ గా ఉంటుంది అనమాట. జస్ట్ ఐ వాంట్ టు ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ ఇట్ టు యూ అండ్ యూస్ దిస్ ఆపర్చునిటీ టు హ్యావ్ అ లాంగర్ సెషన్స్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటరాక్షన్ విత్ యూ. ఏమా, జస్ట్ ట్రై వెబ్ఎక్స్ ఇన్ గూగుల్. నేను ఐ గైడ్ యూ స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్. ఏమా, ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ ఇన్ ఫ్రంట్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ ల్యాప్టాప్, జస్ట్ హోల్డ్ విత్ ద ఫోన్, type in Google search WEBEX. టైప్ చేస్తావా జెనిసా? WEBEX, EX together, WEBEX without any space. If you can type. మీరు జూమ్ లో ట్రై చేస్తున్నారమ్మా. యూ మైట్ హ్యావ్ ఓపెన్ ఇట్. డోంట్ ఓపెన్ ఇన్ జూమ్. డోంట్ ఓపెన్ జూమ్. WebEx లో ఓపెన్ చేశారా? ఇన్వాలిడ్ పాస్వర్డ్ అని రాదమ్మా. వాట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు డూ ఈస్ యూస్ ద లింక్ దట్ ఐ హ్యావ్ సెంట్. ఫస్ట్ డిడ్ యూ క్లిక్ ద లింక్? I'll send once again if you have used the correct. I don't think if you have used the correct link, amma. I sent to aunt today morning. Okay, I'll send once again. You have to use meeting link. And could you successfully install WebEx, amma? Already you do have WebEx. That's what you mean to say, kada? ఓకే, యూ నీడ్ నాట్ ఇన్స్టాల్ అని చెప్తా ఉన్నావు కదా. ఓకే, వెరీ గుడ్. మీరు మీటింగ్ లింక్ క్లిక్ చేశారా? వెరీ గుడ్, వెరీ గుడ్. ఐ అండర్స్టాండ్ అమ్మా, బట్ వాట్ యు ఆర్ గెటింగ్ ఇస్ పాస్వర్డ్ ఈస్ ఇన్వాలిడ్ అని వస్తుంది కదా. కాబట్టి వాట్ ఐ సజెస్ట్ ఈస్ from phone, if you can copy the link and click the link, that will be more authentic amma. Link click చేసినాక username password type చేస్తే that will be easier, because I think there is some error in typing the username and password. That is why you are having a problem. What you have to do is, if you tell me your email ID, I will forward this to your email ID so that you can access your email from laptop. I think that will be easier. I do not know if the link is accessible to you on your laptop. Even WhatsApp, you can open in your laptop. Not only in phone. Connect the WhatsApp to your laptop. Click the link and then type the username and password. Emma, that would be more authentic. Please download. I don't think so. I downloaded very fast. I will wait, no problem. It's worth spending, Amma. It's worth learning. Let it download. Did you start downloading? Is it installing? Yeah, it hardly takes 2-3 minutes. I did it by myself today morning. I tried it and it's better. Means long sessions of meetings can be held. The clarity of voice and picture imaging is good. I think compared to Zoom, this is a better option. Emma, the only thing is, this follows GMT, Greenwich Mean Time. Indians are ahead of GMT by 3.5 hours. So we need to take care of the time. That's all. So that we will not get confused. 9 a.m. GMT means 2 p.m. IST. We are ahead. Yeah, if it is 5.5 hours, 9 a.m. is 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 2:30. Yeah, 2:30 p.m. 9 a.m. is 2:30 p.m. Yes, Janisa. Could you install Amma? Getting installed. No hurry. Take time. Take time. Do it peacefully. You can do better than me. You have the skill, patience, knowledge. Only thing is, Amma, as a teacher, what I need to do is I need to inculcate and create inspiration in you that you study. My teachers are always inspirational, Janisa. We used to have very nice teachers in chemistry, hmm, mathematics, English. They really inspired me. And if I were to have distinction all through my career, whether it is college, university, I owe much to the teachers. Of course, prayer has been the driving force and source of my strength. To read for long hours, really, you do not know, Janisa, how much I used to work hard, how much I used to practice. My day starts at 4:30 a.m. in the morning, and it goes up to night 10 or 10:30, sometimes 11. I hardly sleep 5 hours during those days. Even now, I go to bed at 1 o'clock, wake up at 6 to 7, wake up between 6 and 7, and continue my work. That is how I am working, Janisa, in research, in paper publications, writing thesis. Still, many tasks are pending. I get so many messages every day. Sir, what happened to our paper? Sir, what happened to our revision? What happened to our chapter? But my priority has been you because you are the future, no? Emma, could you install? Ah, why? It will not have any problem, Apex. Ideally, there should not be any problem. What's even though initially it may take some time. What is the problem that is shown, Vanessa? There should not be any problem. You know, I downloaded very easily. It's like any other app, WhatsApp or no, GPay or any other app. Good. Yeah, I could see. Yeah, yeah, please. Yeah. Janisa, are you there, ma? Shall we continue? Janisa, could you hear me? Janisa, are you there? Can you please put on your video? Can you please put on your camera? Can you please put on your mic? Am I audible? Could you see me? Is the screen visible? Janisa?
Sir, I went to give the phone to my grandmom, sir.
Ah, good. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Have you given the phone, Amma? Could you give
Yes,
the
sir.
phone to grandma?
I gave.
Excellent. Very good, very good. Thank you very much for always adapting to new situations, new environment. Indeed, you are a beautiful example of current young generation with knowledge and talent and virtues like consistency, punctuality. I'm very happy to see consistency and punctuality and understanding. You understand the teacher's situation and adopt yourself, adjust yourself to the timings of the teachers. I'm very happy. Okay, Janissa, it's we are close to 1 week of classes, and initially Unit 1 we took quite long time, Amma. I'll complete the Unit 1 today. Word by word, we are reading Unit 1. Okay, then we'll go for the revision material that Sir has given, Jerome Sir. That will complete Unit 1, and I'm very confident that you will score 7 marks from this unit. After this unit, I will quickly take you to chemical kinetics. As the name says, in this, we are dealing with the rates of reactions, how fast a particular reaction proceeds. From rates, we can find out the reaction mechanisms. That is the idea. Because Ma, we have in our body many processes that are happening. For example, we are breathing. Okay, if the rate of this respiration process were to be faster, if the rate were to be higher, what does that mean? More of oxygen is reduced in hemoglobin, iron containing hemoglobin. As a result, more of energy is released. Okay, our performance will be better. Likewise, rate is always related to performance. Okay, we always prefer to have higher reaction rates. In chemical kinetics, we will see what is the rate of the reaction, what are the rate laws, what is the order of the reaction, what are zeroth order, first order, second order, third order reactions, what are the units for zeroth order, first order, second order, third order reactions, and then some typical examples of first order, second order, third order reactions, and then parallel reactions. Then Arrhenius equation, effect of temperature on reaction kinetics. All these things we will go through, and theories of reaction rates is one important aspect in chemical kinetics. The two main theories of chemical kinetics reactions are, one is transition state theory and collision theory. Collision theory depends on the number of collisions fruitful collisions between the reacting species, leading to the formation of products. Transition state theory is also available. We will study in detail the theories of reaction rates, rate laws, Arrhenius law, and solving problems related to determination of reaction rate constants. All these things we will study in chemical kinetics. The first unit I want to deal slowly and systematically. As you know, slow and steady wins the race. Okay, ma. As I told you, genocide, I did give you homework. Emma, in every class, what I'm giving you is I gave you some 20 sets of question papers. Okay, ma? At least every day, one day, you should complete one question paper. 2025, 2024, 2023. There are different sets of question papers I have sent to the phone of aunt. From the phone, please download the question papers. Start with 2025. That is the homework. Emma, I know very well you do have many limitations. Time is the constraint. Okay, but always have competitive spirit. Always have, in your mind, who are your competitors? Know your competitors. You always think that in your class you should be the topper. Not only in the class, there may be 3 or 4 sections in your school. In all the 3 or 4 sections, you should be the topper. Not only within the Velamal school, within the Chennai district, you should be topper. That is how district level, state level, national level, you should raise the banner of the Lord high so that you can testify and glorify the name of the Lord. You know, the very purpose of our existence in this world is to bring glory to the Lord. How I entered into the international cinema as a chemist, now my H index is 27. Okay, H index 27 is not so high, but better than many. In the world, there are nearly 24 lakh. 24 lakh means 2.4 million scientists that are ahead of me. Okay, my rank as a scientist is nearly 24 lakhs. In the world scene, not in India, not in Asia. Take all the world population. Among all the world population, as a scientist, God has given me a recognition as a scientist, and my rank is around 24 lakhs. Now I am marching towards month after month to publish more, to increase my visibility in the Google, to increase my visibility in Web of Science, to increase my visibility in scientific network by participating in conferences. Okay, online, offline, in all possible ways, I'm lifting the banner of Jesus Christ high because that is the very purpose we are living. You know, Janissa, our lifetime on this planet Earth is very limited. After that, where are we going? We have to enter into the heavenly kingdom that God has prepared for us. We have to make this planet like heaven. We have to introduce Jesus. How can we introduce? By sharing what Jesus did in our life, by always having a good example, virtue in us to show to others. Okay, ma? That is why we are in this world. Okay, as a chemist, you should be the topper. Okay, you should be well versed with each of the lines that is present in your text. Bible, you know, in Bible there are 66 books. Name any sentence, I can tell you from which book, in what context that particular verse has been taken. I have read the Bible almost for 4 times or so. Still, every day I read the Bible, all the 66 books, one chapter after other, one chapter after other, one book after other. Why? I already read the Bible. Why should I read? No, it's not like that. As human beings, we forget. Forgetfulness is a normal tendency. Every day you have to read. Emma, you have to take hour by hour. From 10 to 11, I complete unit 1. 11 to 12, I complete unit 2. You have to prepare timetable for yourself. Okay, ma? You should have your exam schedule. You should see which exams are, okay, having less time, less gap, less break. Those papers you have to prepare first. When you have, 3 or 4 days gap in between, such exams you can always prepare during the start after the start of the exams also. But there will be some exams where you will not have much space immediately, immediately next to one particular exam, you may have second exam. That timetable, please send me. The 6 papers that you are going to write, on which day each exam follows. I want to have a snapshot of that, and I want to see, you said chemistry is the third exam. I want to know what is the gap between the second exam and the third exam. Okay, ma. Yesterday we have learnt about Raoult's law. Raoults. Okay, ma. Raoult's law. Raoult's law has many important applications. One application simply is to find the molecular weight of unknown solute. If a solute is present in a solution, we can know what it is. Tentatively, what is its molecular weight from the Raoult's law. What does the Raoult's law says? Raoult's law says that the relative lowering of vapor pressure is proportional to mole fraction of solute. తినగ తినగ మేము తీయగుండు సాధనమున పనులు సమకూడు ధరలోన. Emma means even neem leaf, which is bitter to taste. When you habituate to eat the neem leaves, it becomes sweeter. తినగ తినగ మేము తీయగుండు సాధనమున పనులు సమకూడు ధరలోన విశ్వద అభిరామ వినురమేమ means when you practice sadhanamuna panulu samakudu dharalona, when you practice, even impossible things becomes possible. You need to practice, read. That is the purpose with which we are here. Okay, to orient your mind, to create interest in you, I am here. Okay, Machanisa. So yesterday Ayvavoy. Here too, it has the same problem. I was under the impression that, because, I saw in WebEx 00:00:00. I thought, I can go for 3 hours. No problem. It's going to stop in 5 more minutes. No problem. At least we have learned. What you have to do now, Janisa, then you have to verify the WebEx by typing the, OTP that you receive in your Google. Give your Google email ID. Using your email ID, verify that your identity has to be verified. Okay, night 2, don't use the Zoom link. Night 2, please use only WebEx link I'm going to send. Okay, ma. WebEx link I'll send, and 2 continuous sessions will have 10 to 10:40 and 10:50 to 11:30. Okay, 2 sessions we'll have, and today we'll try our best to wind up Unit 1, that is solutions. Basically, Emma, students will have a question in their mind. Sir, why to read solutions? I told you there are many practical, important, significant things in medicinal chemistry as well as in real life. That is why we need to read about solutions, especially colligative properties. Whatever question I ask, you should have a thorough answer. What is Raoult's law? Simply in one sentence, Raoult's law is the relative lowering of vapor pressure is proportional to mole fraction of solute. Emma, always, Emma, solute should be considered as second component. Okay, for example, I am solvent. Because I am elder to you, I am bigger than you. So consider me as solvent, consider yourself as solute. Always solute will be in lower amount than the solvent. So solute will be given the number 2. Solvent will be given the number 1. Okay, W1 is weight of solvent, W2 is weight of solute. Likewise, M1 means molecular weight of solvent. In most of the cases, when the solvent is not known, we can even find the molecular weight of solvent. We can even find the molecular weight of solute using this Raoult's law. Okay, Raoult's law states that the relative lowering of vapor pressure is proportional to mole fraction of solute, and P naught 1 minus P dash P1 divided by P naught 1 is equal to P naught 1, here, is equal to mole fraction of solute yeah. The relative lowering of vapor pressure is equal to the mole fraction of solute. This is what we have seen about P naught 1 minus P1 divided by P naught 1 is equal to N2 by N1. Here this problem we have already solved. And the next thing is relative elevation in boiling point. Elevation in boiling point 2 we have done. Kb is the ubuloscopic constant. Yes. Did we solve this problem yesterday? Where did we stop? Yesterday, where did we stop? This is where we stopped yesterday. If you remember the page number 17. Okay, Janissa. Can you please read this problem, Janissa? This glucose.
Yes, sir.
Example 1.7.
18 grams of glucose is dissolved in 1 kg of water in a saucepan. At what temperature will water boil? At 1.013 bar. Kb for water is 0.52 kg mole inverse.
Yes. Okay, ma. Now the question is, every time when you look at the problem, Labriyut, you have to see what is need to be found, what to be found. Okay, here what we have to